How to delete your Facebook account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Head over to see more in Account Center. And then head over to Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. The option of deactivation or deletion will be visible to you. Click on it. Now select your specific account. As you're looking forward on deleting your account, select Delete Account and then click on Continue. Once again click on Continue. You have to state the reason why you want to delete your account. From here you can choose any of the reason and then click on Continue. Once again click on Continue. In here, scroll all the way down and then click on Continue. At the very end, you have to enter the password of your account. And once you have entered the password, tap on Continue. Once you click on Continue, your account will be deleted successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete your Facebook account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.